Woodpeckers introduces the new MTXL center gauge. If you build with heavier timbers when making outdoor projects or custom doors for your home, our new MTXL center gauge is the perfect layout tool. You'll get dead center layouts of your tenants and mortise every time on material up to 6 inches thick. It's ideal for interior and exterior doors and smaller scale timber framing projects like sheds, decks, arbors, pergolas, and other fancy garden structures. The MTXL center gauge is based on the proven principles of the parallelogram and takes the guesswork out of precisely marking out your joints. It features 2 precision-machined aircraft-grade aluminum parallel arms that quickly adjust to stock thicknesses ranging from 1 inch up to a nominal 6 inches. With a stainless steel center bar placed dead center on the stock, just mark the bar location and you're done. Our MT center gauge comes in 2 kits. Each kit comes in a fitted foam line case. The basic kit is designed for a craftsman who does custom passageway doors. It includes 4 stainless steel mortise and tenon center bars that range from 1/2 inch, 5/8 of an inch, 3/4 of an inch, and 1 inch sizes. The deluxe kit includes the 4 base sizes plus 2 more center bar widths of 1 1/4 inch and 1 1/2 inch, which gives woodworkers who create outdoor projects all the sizes they need. Changing the center bar is easy. Just loosen the stainless steel screws with knurled heads till the bar drops. Then switch to the center bar width you want. Raise the bar up. Screw the knobs back in place. And you're ready to go. If you're moving the parallel arms in along the guide rails, just loosen the stainless steel knobs till they pull out. Notice the O-ring on the knob shaft. It smooths the swing of the parallel arms and gives a secure fit in any of the holes on the guide rails. Position the arm and knobs at the proper hole location and reattach. It's that easy. Each stainless steel center bar has a precision machined 1mm tapered hole centered on the bar's width. So you can mark the exact center of your stock with either a scribe tool or mechanical pencil, reliably finding the dead center of your stock, which is essential in a variety of layout work. And if you're marking a mortise or tenon, you can use a knife, scribe tool, or mechanical pencil as well. The first time you hold the MTXL center gauge, you'll instantly feel the quality of the tool. With the smooth action of the parallel arms movement, you'll know that this is a tool you can trust. So consider Woodpecker's latest one-time tool, the MTXL center gauge, if you're looking for a fast and easy way to mark your mortise and tenon joints, or find the exact center of your stock when working with larger stock sizes. Like all Woodpecker's one-time tools,
Success in woodworking greatly relies on your ability to set up your woodworking power tools and machines to make accurate and precise cuts. Raising the bit or adjusting your blade to the perfect height or setting the fence in the ideal position are essential steps in getting high-quality results. You can achieve this with careful measuring or repeated test cuts, but that's time-consuming and still leaves a margin of error that often results in extra steps or ruined workpieces. For fast, accurate setups every time, the Kreg Precision Router Table Setup Bars can be used. Each of these precision setup bars, made from high-quality aluminum, are actually 3 gauges in one. Start with the depth gauge to set the perfect bit or blade height. The setup bar straddles the router bit or table saw blade, making it easy to see when you've reached the desired height. Raise the bit or blade until it just touches the gauge, and you're good to go. Next, adjust the fence using the fence gauge. Simply place the gauge against the fence and slide them both over until the gauge lightly contacts the cutting edge. Lock the fence down and you're ready to cut. Finally, in certain applications, you can check the accuracy of the cut using the step gauge on the setup bar. Each kit includes 7 setup bars from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch that will work with virtually any router table or table saw. The bars are stored and organized in a convenient case, so they're an easy reach for fast, accurate setups. Thanks to the accuracy of the Kreg Precision Router Table Setup Bars, your projects will come together faster, with better results, and fewer mistakes than ever before.
Hi, I'm Gregory Paolini, and I want to introduce you to the Woodpeckers Paolini Planer Gauge. It's a classic go, no-go gauge to use at your planer to quickly identify the thickness of stock. Milling your stock accurately into a consistent thickness is critical for a successful project. On both sides, you'll find standard fractional inches. And then on each side individually, you'll find either metric decimal equivalents or standard decimal equivalents. Precision machining on state-of-the-art CNC equipment ensures that the Paolini planer gauge is incredibly accurate. The Paolini planer gauge is made of durable phenolic resin, virtually indestructible. Phenolic resin is incredibly durable and incredibly stable, so as the seasons change, your measurements won't. And the white melamine surface provides great contrast, so it's easy to read. And the Paolini planer gauge is small enough to put in a pocket, or I prefer to just hang it on the planer. The Paolini planer gauge from Woodpeckers.
Whether you're building a boat or working on a smaller scale project in the shop, quickly and precisely replicate angles with the Boat Builder's Bevel Gauge. Built with a stainless steel blade and anodized aircraft-grade aluminum body, this corrosion-resistant tool is prepared for life in a marine environment or any shop. and the innovative design offers the perfect balance between moving easily into position and staying there through normal handling. So transferring angles from project to workpiece is quick and easy.